Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the main control board on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new main control board for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's main control board, or motherboard, manages and coordinates the various functions of the dishwasher. It controls cycle timing, controls power to all electronic components such as the pump, heater, and water valve, and reads data from sensors to ensure efficient and effective cleaning. If the main control board fails, it can cause many different symptoms because it controls so many functions and it is integrated in many components. Since we'll be working with the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect power to the dishwasher. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Using a T15 torque bit, remove these 10 screws from around the perimeter of the door, holding the front panel in place. Then, while supporting the panel, close the door without engaging the latch. Gently tilt the panel forward and disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, lift the front panel up and away from the arm hinges. The main control board is located here. Before disconnecting the wires, take a picture of the electrical connectors to reference later. To remove the electrical connectors, first remove the connector brace by carefully prying on the 4 locking tabs, then rotating it down. Now, remove the connector box. Then, carefully depress the locking tabs for each connector and unplug the wiring harness. Using a screwdriver, gently pry up on this locking tab as you slide the control board to the left, then pull the board forward to free the retained tabs on the back and remove it. If you need to purchase a new main control board, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the control board to the control bracket and then slide it to the right to lock it in place. Then reference the photo from earlier to plug the wiring harness into the control board. You can also reference the bottom of the control board and plug them in accordingly. Next, slide the brace connector behind the wires and hook the 3 retainers into place. Then rotate it into position until the 4 arms lock into place. Then, align the connector box to the control board and press into place. Now align the hangers on the panel to the arm hinges on the door and gently slide the panel into place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. Now, align the screw holes on the panel to the screw holes on the door, being sure that the locking mechanism seats beneath the panel. Start by installing the 2 top corner screws, bearing in mind that the 4 larger screws belong on the top row. Then, while supporting the panel, we install the remaining screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.